for Fortune High School 2025. We would like to start this event by calling our principal ma'am to address the gathering.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome, esteemed guests, our respected parents, our dedicated teachers, and our students who are so full of life. It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome you all to our annual function. This afternoon is not just a celebration of our students' talents, but also a reflection of our journey as a community. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents present here. Your unwavering support, trust, and encouragement mean the world to us. You have stood by us, believed in our vision, and played a crucial role in shaping the future of our students. Without your partnership, our progress would not have been possible. This year marks a milestone in our school's history as our first batch of 10th standard prepares to appear for the CBSE board. It is a moment of pride and responsibility, and we are confident that our students will make us proud. It is with immense excitement that I announce the expansion of our school. We are launching the second branch of Fortune International School, which will be located behind Rhythm County, Urli Devachi. This massive 3-acre project will feature a sprawling playground, many more activities added to it. This new campus is a testament to our commitment to providing world-class infrastructure and holistic education for our students. As we continue to grow, we remain dedicated to our core values: academic excellence, character building, and all-round development. We believe in constantly evolving, improving, and striving for the best of our students. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone present here for being a part of our journey. Let us celebrate this wonderful afternoon together and cheer for our talented students who have worked so hard to put up a spectacular event. Thank you and enjoy the afternoon.
Thank you, ma'am. And now let's enjoy a melodious performance by our school choir that will be put up by grades 6th and 8th. We welcome the school choir. Please give them a big round of applause.
all who have put in an efforts to join us. We are grateful for your presence and get ready to see your children rock on the stage. Relax and enjoy the performances.
This is Afia Mudassir from class 6B and Atulya from class 6C. Grade 6 takes the stage with thought-provoking performances on gratitude, mental health, bullying, parenting, humanity, and gadget addiction, unveiling life's lesson through impactful storytelling, heartfelt emotions, and meaningful choreographic reflections. Welcome to a world where welcome to a fun and thought-provoking segment where we dive into the wonderful and sometimes hilarious world of parenting. Today, we'll take a look at the ups, downs, and in-betweens of raising children through a skit that will have you laughing and nodding your head in agreement. So get ready to experience the roller coaster ride that every parent can relate to.
That's true. Parenting is a mixture of challenges, laughter, and love. Let's see how Class 6C presents this relatable journey.
Hello everyone, I am Mrityunjay Singh from class 6C. Just being parents can be tough, but just remember that in your child's eyes, nobody does it better than you. Maybe the skit will help you a lot better. Parenting is one of life's most rewarding yet challenging journeys. It's not just about raising children. It's about guiding them, understanding their unique needs, and helping them become the best versions of themselves. Every child is different, and as parents, it's our job to embrace those differences, provide support, and nurture their individuality. Effective parenting is built on love, patience, and communication. It's about listening, setting boundaries with empathy, and teaching them to make good choices.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshika Singh from class 6C. Today I am going to narrate a skit on parenting. As a growing child, parenting styles are very much needed for good skills, discipline and strictness in studies. But some parents do overcare and love their child like anything. It is not bad but can affect the child's behavior in the future. The child takes his or her parents for granted and suffers later. If you really want to look at the consequences, here is a skit prepared by 6C. In a quiet neighborhood, two families lived side by side. Though they shared the same street, their parenting styles couldn't be much different. Let's take a look into their lives. Alex is lounging on the couch with a phone in his hand. Mother enters with a tray of snacks.
Alex, darling, I have bought your favorite snacks.
Oh, Mama, what you have made?
I made your favorite noodles.
Oh, wow! Yay! Oh, by the way, I have a lot of homework, but I have a game to finish. But I really don't want to do the homework.
Don't worry about your homework. I will write a note to your teacher if you're too tired.
Thanks, Mom. Oh, Dad, by the way, I need some money to buy a new game.
How much did you need?
I need $500.
Anything for you, my child.
Thanks, Dad. You are the best.
Now we move to Jamie's house. Jamie, did you finish your chores before starting the homework?
Yes, Mom, I've cleaned my room and helped with dinner.
Good. Remember, hard work comes first. I'm proud of you for taking responsibility.
Thanks, Mom. I'll finish this and then practice for my tomorrow's debate competition. Daddy, I need $100.
Yes, I will surely give you, but before that, tell me, why do you need the money?
I need to buy a geometry box.
Here is the money. Make sure you will give me accounts.
Yes, Daddy. Thank you so much.
The next day at school,
Alex and Jamie's different upbringings are put to the test. Teacher stands at the front of the class. Alex and Jamie are seated with other students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sit down. Class, today we will have a surprise test. Please take out your pens.
A test? I didn't study. My mom didn't remind me to prepare. Hey Alex, can you help me with the question number 3? No, I don't have any idea. I didn't even open the book. Hey, please show me.
Please do not. Ma'am, he is copying.
Alex, no talking during test. Jamie, keep up the good work. You're focused as always. And please collect all the books.
Alex sinks into his desk while Jamie finishes and hands the paper. Back at home, the two parents reflect on the choices as they see the results of their parenting styles. You look worried, dear. Can I know the reason?
Yes, you are right. Alex is so unmotivated. He is falling behind in school. Maybe we should hire a tutor or just write another note to excuse him from the quiz.
I guess you are right. I will look for one in our neighborhood.
Jamie, you had amazing focus when you were working on your debate competition.
Thanks, Mom. I'm glad that you pushed me to do my best.
That's right. I am giving you a book as a reward. All the best.
Time flies, and a year later, Alex and Jamie's paths look very different. Alex now struggling with homework and arguing with his mother.
Mom, why didn't you ever teach me to manage things on my own? I am falling behind in classes.
I just wanted to protect you, sweetheart.
While Jamie giving a speech at school event.
And that's why hard work and discipline are the keys to success. Thank you.
As you see, Jamie is giving a speech as he wins many more competitions while Alex is still lagging behind in studies. Jamie parents are beaming with pride while Alex parents are hiring a tutor for him. Parenting is a tough job and every choice has consequences. Sheltering may seem kind in the moment, but discipline teaches resilience. The question is, what kind of future are we preparing our children for? As per my opinion, it is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Thank you.
We understand that parenting contains a lot of struggle and it is not easy as it looks. So our class 6C thanks each and every parent sitting here from the bottom of our hearts. We performed this skit to convey a message to everybody that love your child as much as you can, but be strict at the times you can be. Thank you.
तेरी राहत के अखियाँ जाने कैसा कैसा होए जिया तेरी राहत के अखियाँ जाने कैसा कैसा होए जिया धीरे धीरे आंगन तेरे अंधेरा मेरा देश कहाँ ढल के सूरज करे इशारा चंदा तू है कहाँ
ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
Class 6C gave a fantastic performance. They truly captured the ups and downs of parenting in the most entertaining way possible. Let's give them a round of applause.
The setting is vibrant with children playing. Tommy, a shy, quiet student, is sitting by himself near the swings, reading a book. A group of bullies, Jake, Emma, and Lalit, are playing a game nearby. But they start noticing Tommy and begin making fun of him. Act 1, the bullying.
Hey Tommy, what's that you are reading? Is it How to Be a Loner Guide?
Oh, look, Tommy's all alone again. Guess no one wants to play with you, huh?
Maybe you should go home and cry in your room. That's all you're good at anyway.
Please just leave me alone. Don't trouble me for no reason.
At this point, the few other students, Sophia and Ethan, notice what's happening from a distance. They look a little uncomfortable and immediately walk over to interfere. Act 2, standing up.
Hey, cut it out. That's enough. What's the matter, Sophia? You gonna stick up for him? He's just some weird kid who doesn't fit in. It doesn't matter if Tommy fits in or not. No one deserves to be treated like this.
Bullying isn't funny, it's hurtful. You would not like it if someone did this to you. We are all different, but that's what makes us special.
The bullies, Jake, Emma, and Lilith, look at each other. They start to feel a little guilty, realizing they were wrong. Tommy looks up, surprised but grateful. He stands up slowly. Act 3, the realization.
I just want to be treated the same as everyone else. It hurts when people make fun of you for no reason.
I am sorry, Tommy. We didn't mean to hurt you. We were just having some fun.
We didn't mean to make him feel bad. We were just being thoughtless. We won't do it again.
Remember, bullying isn't a joke. We all are people, and kindness is the best way to treat each other.
Bullying doesn't make you cool, it just makes others feel bad about themselves. It's not what real friends do. If we all treat each other with kindness, the world will be a better place for everyone.
We are sorry, Tommy. We shouldn't made fun of you. Can we start over?
Tommy smiles, feeling better. The group of kids, including the bullies, stand together, showing support for one another. Let's all promise to be kinder and to stand up for each other, because that's how we make a real difference. Thank you.
Kindness. It means showing empathy, kindness, and helping others through the act of kindness. It can improve your mental health and well being, and it can also make others feel better. Now, let's see how 6D will perform their dance.
It's true. Bullying is quite an important issue, and it's also important to address it because we, as society, have no idea how big of an impact it leaves on individuals. Let's see how Class 6D raises awareness about this issue.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर नाल समंदरा दे फिर नाल समंदरा दे
Wow, it's just a mesmerizing performance. How beautifully they have showcased the topic.
Class 6D truly captured the impact of bullying. Let's give them a round of applause.
Now it's time for 6E's performance. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the endless streams of notifications, social medias, updates, and emails. But what happens when our screens start to control our lives? So, please join us to see what happens next.
That is absolutely right. Screens may be quite useful when put in good use, but when not, they may really be harmful, especially for us children. Let's see how 6th E performs.
Today, Class 6C presents to you the Gadget Trap. Meet Rahul, a bright student who loves gadgets. Meet Rahul's mother. Rahul, haven't you studied enough for your exams?
Just 5 minutes, Mom.
You're always on gadgets. Your exams are near. Please focus.
I study later.
Scene 2. Rahul at school. Rahul's addiction affects his relationships. Meet Rohan, Rahul's friend.
Hey Rahul, want to play basketball during recess? Hey Rahul, are you listening? Rahul!
Can't. I'm on level 10.
But we need you for the team.
Play without me.
Scene 3. Rahul's addiction affects his grades. Your grades have dropped significantly. What's going on?
Oh God, what have I done? I think I should do better next time.
Alright then. Scene 4. School playground. Rahul realizes his mistake. Everyone is playing on the playground while Rahul is alone.
Hey Rohan, I'm sorry for that. Let's play.
Welcome back. Forget whatever has happened and now promise me that we will use the gadgets wisely.
Yes, I promise you.
Alright then.
Scene 5. Rahul is back home.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'll get better marks next time.
Proud of you, Rahul. Let us all make a pact to use gadgets wisely.
After watching this amazing short skit based on gadget addiction, welcome to the world where our eyes are fixated to the glowing screens, our hands are glued on virtual realities, and our minds are constantly pulled towards the endless notifications on our mobile phones. This dance piece explores the insidious grip of the mobile phone addiction.
Oh really? Let's see how Class 6E brings this choreographic reflection to life.
Badam 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 amagati nai to gugu badam 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 amagati nai to gugu badam 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 amagati nai to gugu badam.
व्हाट्सएप ले लो, फेसबुक ले लो, स्नैपचैट ले लो, इंस्टाग्राम ले लो, 15 सेकंड के रील्स, 30 के रील, 10 रुपए के फॉलोअर्स ले लो। रस्ते कमाल सस्ते में ट्रेंडिंग में रहने के लिए 1 डजन हैशटैग ले लो।
हट्टा कट्टा मोबाइल। ये मोबाइल यूं ही हट्टा कट्टा नहीं हुआ। इसने बहुत कुछ खाया पिया है। ये हाथ की घड़ी खा गया। समय नहीं लोगों के पास, ये लोगों का वक्त खा गया। ये टॉर्च लाइटें खा गया। इसने सैकड़ों मील की दूरियां पी हैं, इस मोबाइल ने तन्हाइयां पी हैं। ये मोबाइल किताबें खा गया। पड़ोस की दोस्ती मेल मिलाप खा गया। ये मोबाइल फोन यूं ही हट्टा कट्टा नहीं हुआ, इसने बहुत कुछ खाया पिया है। ये रिश्ते खा रहा है, 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 रिश्ते खा रहा है।
मेरी राहें मुझसे पूछे घर कहाँ है, क्यों मुझसे आके दस्तक पूछे दर कहाँ है। राहें ऐसी जिनकी मंजिल भी नहीं, ढूंढो मुझे अब मैं रहता हूँ वहीं। दिल है कहीं और धड़कन है कहीं, सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं, सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं। मैं जागूं
ये हंसी पल फिर मिले ना मिले, क्यों ना इन लम्हों को फिर से एक बार जी लूं।
कुर्बान हुआ तेरी तश्नगी में यूं, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी आशिकी में यूं, बेखुदी में बेकली में बेकसी में हुआ तुझको हर दुआ दी और दगा भी और फना हुआ, कुर्बान हुआ
They really set the stage on fire with their energetic dance moves.
Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to mental peace. Through this performance, my friends from class 6A will take you through different school hallways, showcasing our struggles and challenges. Not just that, we shall also explore how embracing thankfulness brings harmony and peace to our minds and hearts. Get ready to walk with us into these various school hallways.
That's true. Gratitude is a powerful force that helps us appreciate life and spread kindness. Let's witness how 6A brings this message to life.
Welcome everyone. Today, we the students of grade 6th present a skit that explores the importance of mental health, a topic that touches each one of us in some way. Being grateful can be a powerful tool for staying positive even in challenging times.
Let's take you on a journey into a school hallway where we step into the minds of students like us. Each of them is battling something heavy: academic pressure, fear of failure, rejection, and many more. But watch closely because in the end, they'll find something beautiful. Let's begin.
Our story begins in the hallway of stress. Meet Rohan, Swara, and Arfa as they struggle to keep their heads above water. Basically, life's ultimate pressure cooker. Rohan, my life's like a constant race. Always something to prove, always something to worry about. But what if there's a way to find peace? Peace? We need to find the closest physics wala. Forget peace.
I can't fail this exam. My parents will be so disappointed.
I feel so lost. In the hallway of stress, it seems impossible to stop and breathe. The pressure feels unbearable. Welcome to the Hall of Comparison, where students like Ansh face the sting of not measuring up. In this hall, everyone's value is weighed by their possessions and popularity.
A group of students are engrossed in their social media life.
Did you see the Spurs poster? So embarrassing.
Bro, don't call this a phone. It's a brick with buttons. You are so outdated, man.
Anj, I thought we told you to go away.
Everyone has better stuff than me. I don't belong here. In the hall of comparisons, it's easy to feel small. But is fitting really the answer? Let's move to our next hallway. Now we enter the hall of perfection, where glam, sham and shame is the reason to live, where pressure to look flawless is overwhelming. Here, students like Yashika compare themselves to impossible standards. Did you see Alia Bebo's outfit? I have already ordered mine. What is it? Can you show me? Oh, you're so vintage. What do you do at home? Watch Tom and Jerry? She needs a lifetime filter.
I don't know if I can ever look like them. I can't compete with this.
But I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm only human, and I crash and I break down. Your words in my head, knives in my heart. You build me up and then I fall apart, 'cause I'm only human. 'Cause I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm only human, and I crash and I break down. Your words in my head, knives in my heart. You build me up and then I fall apart. 'Cause I'm only
Swara, Ansh, Rohan, and Yashika looked around and realized they were all struggling.
It's just not me. Looks like we are all stuck. We need help. How about we go and ask our principal? I'm sure she can help us. Welcome, students. How can I help you today?
Ma'am, we feel overwhelmed with exams and all the expectations.
I can't stop comparing myself. I feel I'm falling short.
Yes, ma'am. I just don't know where I fit in. Nothing seems good enough.
I understand how you feel, but let me share something with you. Take a deep breath. Have you ever taken a moment to appreciate the simple things in your life? Simple things? Yes. Think of 4 things you're thankful for. The way my mom hugs me melts away my fears.
I am thankful for my dad's funny jokes that makes me laugh.
The silly moments with my brothers and sisters. My friend who encourages me. Gratitude helps us focus on what's good rather than what's missing. Let's take a moment. How do you feel now?
I feel hopeful.
I feel confident.
I feel safe.
I feel I'm good enough. We would like to leave you with a powerful lesson. Gratitude is the key to mental peace.
Everybody gets a soul. Everybody gets a mind. To let them know that we can be smart, that we can be kind, and we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. On the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. So, what are you thankful for?
Wow, what an incredible performance by my friends from class 6th A. The way they expressed the importance of gratitude was truly inspiring. Don't you all agree?
Absolutely. The performance was beautifully shown. A round of applause for 6A.
Humanity is the quality of being kind, thoughtful, and empathetic towards others. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a world where stories are not told with words, but with the language of the body. Today, we present the art of mime, a captivating performance style where our students from class 6th B will use their movements, expressions, and imagination to paint vivid pictures in your mind.
That's right. A mime is a powerful act that tells stories beyond words. Let's watch how 6B brings this magic to life.
एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता। तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा। खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे। तो खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में। हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा।
Wow! My friends from class 6B have given an outstanding performance. The way they used expressions and movements to tell the story were truly mesmerizing.
Let's give them a huge round of applause for their brilliant act. Thank you.
Already had the 6C performance, but due to the changing part, some of the students had gone to change their costumes, so they were unable to perform the dance here. So we'll be having the 6C performance again, only the dance performance for the girls as well as the boys. So first we'll start off with the girls.
अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम, ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ, पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
कैसा कैसा होए जिया तेरी राहत के अखियाँ जाने कैसा कैसा होए जिया धीरे धीरे आंगन तेरे अंधेरा मेरा देव कहाँ ढल के सूरज करे इशारा चंदा तू है कहाँ मेरे चंदा तू है कहाँ लुका छुपी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे थके है अब तेरी माँ आजा सांझ हुई मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना आजा सांझ हुई मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना
The annual day of grade 8. Today, we are going to take you on a thrilling journey through the ages to a time when bravery knew no bounds and the warriors ruled the land and left their mark on history. From fearless Spartans to the fierce Viking raiders to the brave Maharana Pratap, the legendary king. Now, our talented students from grade 8 will bring these epic stories to life through their energetic and captivating dance performance. Please put your hands together for a first performance of grade 8 as they unleash the fury of Spartans.
Prepare for glory! No retreat, no surrender. That is battle.
Wow, what a fantabulous performance. Thank you, Ete.
And gentlemen, welcome to our Viking adventure. Over 1,000 years ago, in the frozen lands of Scandinavia, there lived fierce and fascinating people known as the Vikings. These brave warriors, skilled sailors, and master craftsmen set sail across the seas, exploring new lands, discovering hidden treasures, and leaving their mark on history. From the misty fjords of Norway to the battlefields of England, the Vikings' legendary exploits have captivated our imagination. Now, get ready to embark on a thrilling journey through the realm of the Vikings. Our dancers will take you on a captivating adventure inspired by the myths, legends, and heroic deeds of these ancient Norse warriors. Let the drums beat, the shields clash, and the Viking spirit unfold before your eyes.
In a world of cold winds and endless seas, they stood strong, the Vikings. Brave warriors who lived for battle and sailed into the unknown. They fought for honor, for glory, and for a place in Valhalla, their heaven. With axes in hand and fire in their hearts, they feared nothing, not even death.
Ships on vigor of the waves are skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, raven soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a fate determined, shields and spears. Vows of vigor or the thrill of plunder, pull together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder bound within. Oh, 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 the echoes of eternity. Oh, 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 Valhalla calling me. Oh, 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 to love the strings of destiny. Oh, 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 Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me.
Across the oceans they sailed, conquering lands and writing their names in history. They were more than fighters. They were explorers, builders, and storytellers. To be a Viking was to live without fear, to face every storm, and to never back down. Even today, their spirit lives on. The courage, the strength, the fire burns within us. Tonight, we honor their legacy. This is not just a dance. This is a call to the gods. This is the Viking way.
They don't see the work, then it tastes. They don't see the work, then it tastes. They don't see the work, then it tastes. I've been taking my time, it never hit the brakes. They don't see the work, then it tastes. They don't see the work, then it tastes. taking my time, it never hit the brakes. They don't see the work that it takes. They don't see the work that it takes. They don't see the work that it takes. I've been taking my time, it never hit the brakes. They don't see the work that it takes. They don't see the work that it takes. They don't see the work that it takes. I've been taking my time, it never hit the brakes. They don't see the work that it takes. I've been taking my time, it never hit the brakes. They don't see the work that it takes. I've been taking my time, it never hit the brakes.
Maharana Pratap, the legendary Rajput king of Mewar, is a symbol of courage, patriotism and sacrifice in Indian history. Born in 1540, he is best known for his unwavering resistance against the Mughal Emperor Akbar. The Battle of Haldi Ghati in 1576 showcased his indomitable spirit and his deep love for his motherland. Maharana Pratap's life inspires us to stand for truth, justice and self-respect, making him an eternal hero in our hearts.
की माटी की रक्षा करने महाराणा प्रताप इतिहास गढ़ चला।
मैं महाराणा प्रताप और मैंने ये प्रतिज्ञा ली है, लड़ूंगा चाहे मरूंगा, अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा अवश्य करूंगा।
गर्दन कटा देवे अगर बात आवे नाक की है। शूरवीर जन्मे ही धरती पर प्रधान है और धरती महाराणा प्रताप की है।
गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा, गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा, बरसेगी आग आंख से लौधारा अंगारा, गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा। ओ धन्य 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 मेवाड़ दरारे, झुका दिया पर्वत ने आंख से परमवीर प्रताप जड़ा, इतिहास रचा चौड़ी छाती देख बहा लहू रंग दी माटी, ओ रक्त से भर दी रक्त तलाई जद लड़ा महाराणा हल्दी घाटी। गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा, गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा, बरसेगी आग आंख से लौधारा अंगारा, गूंजेगा गूंजेगा राणा धर जयकारा। बोलो जय मां भवानी, बोलो जय मां भवानी, बोलो जय मां भवानी।
Indo.
आप
अपने मन में जानता हूं महाभारत सार को। मैं निमंत्रण नहीं दूंगा कृष्ण के अवतार को, क्योंकि जानता हूं अंततः निष्कर्ष ये ही आएगा, कायर कहेगा विश्व उसको जो युद्ध ना कर पाएगा।
Remember, we show no mercy!
A spectacular performance. Our kids have worked hard throughout the entire month. Almost for a month they've been practicing. Our teachers have put in all of the efforts, to put up such a great performance in front of you all. I think once again we can give a big round of applause to all of our students. I would also like to thank the parents for being so cooperative with us, for being patient, for being seated here and watching the performance. Thank you so much.